First of all, you have to pick your choices. You need to get an offer. You need to study hard. Make sure you meet your offer.
Personally, I'm one of these students that had a lot of barriers facing me before I came to university. First of all, I was the first member of my family to go to university. I don't have any brothers or sisters or cousins, so no one I knew had actually been to university.
You're on the fence a bit. Just look at the uni website. Come to like the offer days. Just get into contact with just other people that you might know that have been to university. Just any outlet that you have, just make the most of it and make sure you get a well-rounded opinion of the university.
I went to a school where not many people went to university at all. It was a thing where you had to work really hard to get to university. Not many people got very high grades, but I worked really, really hard, and Edinburgh took me, and they took me from my background, and they saw the best in me, saw my potential, and let me in, and it was the most amazing experience.
It's not just about the degree, it's also about you as a person. You need to know how the university is going to cater to different types of people in terms of promoting diversity, in terms of promoting just you being an individual and your learning style.
I was eligible for LEAPS support, so I came from a low-income family. I was the first in my entire family to go to uni, and Dalkeith High in general has quite a low uptake level of higher education. So I was able to get my conditions lowered from LEAPS, and they gave me help with like UCAS and all that kind of stuff. And I feel like because I got that help, it made me feel different to every other student. Like I wasn't supposed to be at Edinburgh because I didn't actually get the grades. My grades were only there because I was LEAPS eligible. So I kind of felt like I had like this kind of like imposter syndrome type thing, and I really didn't do well because I was totally in my own head about it. But I think that when I realised that, I went to meet my personal tutor, and he had my UCAS personal statement there. He was like, look, this is why you're here. Look at your grades. You've got 2 advanced hires and 6 hires. Of course you're meant to be here. Once I kind of got out of that mindset and I realised that I was just creating the pressure for myself. I wasn't different to any other student. We're all in the same boat.